Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll explore Google's Imagen text-to-image model, which is available through Vertex AI, Google Cloud's Enterprise AI suite. In this demonstration, we'll start with a new project, and our first step will be to enable the recommended APIs. After enabling the APIs, we'll navigate to the Vision section within the Vertex AI Studio. This area has two main functions: image generation and AI image watermarking. When we go to the Generate section, you can see all the available options for this model displayed in the sidebar. The model comes in two versions. First, there's the standard Imagen model, and second, there's Imagen Fast, which is designed for lower latency, meaning it produces results more quickly. The system offers various aspect ratios to choose from, and you can specify your preferred number of results. One particularly useful feature is the negative prompt. This allows you to tell the system what you don't want to appear in your generated image. The platform also includes some advanced options. After you've configured all your desired settings and entered your prompts, you'll submit your request to generate images. The system will take a brief period to process your inputs and create the responses. Once the generation process is complete, you can review the results and select your preferred outputs. The platform allows you to interact with your generated content in several ways. You can examine each result closely, and when you find images you like, you have the option to export and save them. If you'd like to support the channel, consider starting a free trial of our new design tool, which is linked in the description, and let us know what you think. We'll keep an eye on the comment section for any questions. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and please enjoy responsibly.